So now we are going to see kingdom plantae. In the year 1883, there was a scientist, Eichler. He studied plants. So he was a botanist. He gave the classification of plants. So he classified kingdom plantae into two subkingdoms, and those two subkingdoms were cryptogams and phanerogams, and further they were depending upon different characteristics, they were further divided. So kingdom plantae has two subkingdoms, cryptogams and phanerogams. This is a diagram that will help you understand how kingdom plantae has been classified. So kingdom plantae means containing all types of plants that are present on the earth. First, they are divided into two subkingdoms, cryptogams and phanerogams. This is kingdom. Kingdom is plantae. Then next is subkingdom, cryptogams and phanerogams. Now, how come the scientists decided how to divide into two subkingdoms? He considered the characteristics if plants can have flower, fruits and seeds. If the plants had flower, fruit, seeds, then those all plants were placed under phanerogams, and cryptogams had all plants which do not show presence of flower, fruit or seeds in any form. So subkingdom, cryptogams and phanerogams depending upon presence and absence of flower, fruit and seeds. Further, these subkingdoms were divided into divisions. So cryptogam had divisions Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta, and phanerogams has two divisions, gymnosperms and angiosperms. So phanerogams have seeds. Phanerogams have flower or fruit and seeds in some or the other form. So depending upon whether the seeds are present inside the fruit or they do not have any covering, depending upon that, phanerogams was divided into two divisions, gymnosperms and angiosperms. So all plants in which the seeds do not have any covering, that means the seeds which do not have any covering means they are not present inside any fruit, then those all plants come under gymnosperms, and plants which have seeds which are present inside the fruit which have some covering means seeds will be present inside the fruit, then all those fall under the category of angiosperms. And depending upon in how many parts the seed can be divided, angiosperms were again divided into two groups, dicotyledons and monocotyledons. Dicotyledons, di means two, that means the plants whose seeds can be broken into two parts, they are called as dicotyledons, and plants whose seeds cannot be divided into two half, they are called as monocotyledons.